Beep, beep. Who's got the keys to the Prius? J Speed checking in. What's up out there, all you fellow YouTubers, J Speed fans? Uh-oh. My 04 to 09 Prius. Ooh. What's going on here? Pretty low. Oh, won't start. Transmission P. Lock mechanism is abnormal. Park your car in a flat place and apply the parking brake completely. Take the parking brake off. Okay? And if both your headlights are still working, you're lucky. Because that's happening a lot too. Having one or the other headlight working intermittently, switching the headlights on and off. Wow. Park lock is flashing. Won't go in park. Push the power button one more time. Hello, it's ready. Put it in neutral. Then reverse. Then forward. Then hit the parking brake as you're moving. Do it a couple times. Loosen things up. And then you'll be good to go. J Speed, peace out. Thanks for looking.